So this is how you can call your friends on Roblox. It's actually a very fun feature. Basically, imagine you're calling them on FaceTime or whatever. It's going to ring your friend's phone on Roblox and they'd have to answer it. So open up the Roblox app and then go to Discover at the bottom of the screen. Now search for Connect. This is a Roblox game where it connects you to your friend's phone, and basically you can call them and they'd have to answer it and then you can have a conversation. So as you can see, I'm gonna go on ahead and read the description. Roblox Connect is an experience on Roblox where you can call a friend and have a conversation as your avatars together in a shared immersive space. We've created some fun location options for you and your friends to enjoy. In addition, the technology that powers Connect is fully open source to empower creators to build synchronous voice and avatar communication into any existing or new experience on Roblox. So this is what it's going to look like. I don't think I'm going to be able to play it because I don't have voice chat, but make sure you have voice chat in order to use this. If you don't know how to use voice chat, you can go on ahead and check out our other video which shows you how to do that as well. So if we go on ahead and look at these photos, as you can see, it's basically just like FaceTime but with your Roblox avatars. It's a very fun way of connecting with your friends and communicating in a different way. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.